Hi, welcome once again to Strand Styles and Beauty channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I transform this plain looking pre-twisted braids into something beautiful and wow. So first of all, you put your wig, it's a wig, you put it on your mannequin and get your coil rods, the rods you're going to use to coil each pre-twisted crochet braids. And I'm also showing you how to do it. So first of all, you section off the hair and you take each pre-twisted crochet braid and wrap it around the coiling rod. So if you notice there, I first check the length. I'm not coiling all the twists because I just want to coil the down section to give me that beautiful look and to frame my face properly. So the downside, the back side, you start by making it to be more longer than the others. That means the curls will be longer than the other braids. As you watch, you will understand. So I'm starting my curls at the neck area because this mannequin is kind of my head size. So if you are doing this, it's preferable to get a mannequin that is your head size. So when you are done wrapping around the coiling rod, you have to secure it with the secure clips that comes with the rod. And you can see I'm done with the first step of the hair, the first section, and the next thing is that I put it inside hot water. But instead of dipping it inside hot water, I simply use a bucket and a kettle of hot water and pour hot water all over each strand, each pre-twisted crochet braid, and make sure that it's properly soaked well so that it can coil properly. It's very simple to do, though it's really tasking. So you can see that I put a towel on the floor to capture the water, the dripping water. So by the time you are done, you can see that is the last bit of the pre-twisted crochet braid that is curled, and this is the first section. And look how lovely this curl looks. I'm really in love with it, really in love. So if you notice any one that you didn't twist, just go ahead and twist it. Now I've moved on to the second section, and if you notice, I'm trying to do it in layers. I'm trying to get the curls in layers, that's the proper word. And you check where the last section of hair, where the curls started from, that's where your next curls will end. So zooming in, you can see that they are not the same length, but by the time you put this in hot water, you see that it comes out in different layers, giving you a very beautiful result. Why I decided to do it in layers is that if you make it equal, the weight of the hair will be a lot at the tip of your hair. So by the time you are done, you should have something like this. It looks so beautiful, and you can see the layers and you see how bouncy these curls are. Really bouncy. They are medium sized curls and simple to do, though it takes some time. But I think in about an hour or less, you should be done coiling this hair. The more you curl, the faster you will be, because you get used to it. And see how beautiful it looks. So beautiful. This is a wig, and you can make it center or side. See how bouncy it is. I really love the bouncy nature of these curls. So they just obey my every command. I hope you truly enjoyed this video. Do take care. God bless you. Bye.